Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everybody again. This part of module 1, practical numerical methods for scientists and engineer. So today we will make extracting, replacing or eliminating of some elements from arrays or matrices. So now the general rule for extracting some elements from a matrix that we first start with the A, the matrix name, and between parentheses we put the row number and column number for the items we want to extract. And remember that when we put A, we don't put anything, we don't equal, we didn't put equal, or we don't put any thing, just a comma, a parenthesis, and we put the row number. So let's try. So we here have A equal 1 2 3 semicolon 4 5 6 semicolon 7 8 9 8. So we have created a matrix here. Okay, now suppose that we want to extract 6. So in order to extract 6, and it's in the second row and third column, so we say A parentheses 2 and 3. So this will extract 6. Now we want to extract 4. So 4 is in the second row and first column. So we either put A between parentheses 2 1, or just put 2. So this will extract only 4. Okay, suppose that I want to extract the whole row. So we can write it by several ways. We can make extract 2 and then from 1 to 3, or just make extract 2 and then comma colon. Let's try these things. So here let's create a matrix. Okay, this is our matrix. Suppose that I want to extract 5 only. So we can say A open parenthesis. So this is here it's the second row and second column. So 2 2 open parenthesis. So it were 5. Okay, suppose that you want to extract all this row 7 8 and 9. Okay, so it is the third column and all first second third. So we can do it by two ways. We can say A third row 3 comma from 1 to 3. This is one way. Okay, the other way is to make it like this: A 3 comma colon. So this colon means all the columns. Okay, now suppose that I want to extract small matrix from the larger matrix. Suppose that I want to extract 2 3 5 and 6. I want to extract 2 3 5 and 6. So can you think how can I do it? So we can say A. Okay, this is the second row. Okay, so from first row to second row, so from 1 to 2 comma. Okay, from column 2 to 3, 2 to 3. Okay, I think from 2 I did mistake here, so I make 3 for 3 instead of 2 to 3. Sorry, I will repeat it again. So here I make it 2. Okay, yes, perfect. So 2 5 3 and 6, 2 5 3 2 5 3 and 6. Okay, suppose that I want to cancel or to eliminate some rows. Okay, suppose that I want only to eliminate this row. for example 3, 6, and 9, I want to remove them and only to make a. Okay, so replace. So if you want to replace, okay, now let's go step by step. Now, okay, suppose that I want to replace number by number. So for example, in this let's make clear CLC. Okay, here a again, so this is my a. Suppose that I want to change 2 and make it, instead of 2, make it 1. Okay, so I have two ways. The first way is to make it like this, is like this. Do the same extract steps, but we'll add one more step. So now we said we want to replace 2 and make it 0. This assumption. Okay, so 2. So if I want to extract 2, what should I do? A between parentheses and 1, 2. Okay, so this one will extract 2. So what I do, equal 0. Okay, so now 2 converted to 0. Okay, so this becomes the new a. Okay, similarly, if I want to, for example, to convert 5 and 8 also to 0, so okay, let's do this. A, let's extract them to second row to third row. Okay, comma, second column 2. Okay, and then equal 0. So now this become all zeros. Okay, now the other way to change it is to you see this in the workplace A, so double click on A. Okay, here it gave me similar similar to Excel sheet. Okay, here I can put whatever I want, so I can here put 2, for example. Here I can put 5. Here I can put 8. Okay, that's it. Okay, just close it. So now let's type A again. Now it values are changed again. So by this you come. So now you can tell me, okay, now it's easily I can change it by here. So why I do this function to replace? Because sometimes you have to, when you create a script, you need to do some modification with in the script, so it will be run automatically. You can during the program, so the script can't change. You can't manually open the workplace and do the change manually, but the script only read this function, so you can create it in order and you can create it. So let's back again to our notes. Okay, so now we know how to extract things. Now, for example, you want to extract first column. You want to extract first column, all column. So 1, 2, 3. So we can, from 1 to 3, all we can just put column and then 1. Okay, so it will be like this. And also, if I want to extract 7 and 8, so it will be third row and first two column, like this. Okay, also, as we said, we want to extract 2, 3, 5, 6. So to extract this, we can say 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. So it will be extracted like this. And this is the way how to extract from the MATLAB, from the workplace. We can do any modification we want to do here. Okay, in order, okay, similarly, we can do anything here. If you want to replace these items to be 0, we can make extract them and equal 0. And similarly, the way, if you want to eliminate any item, so instead of 0, we just put 2 brackets. Okay, so for example, I want to cancel 2. If you want to cancel 2, so A2 equal bracket, so it will be cancelled and it will be only 1, 3, 4, 5. So 2 has been dropped from the vectors. Also, there are some useful commands in matrices and vectors. For example, you want to find location of vector. Okay, so now to find, for example, you want to find 2. Where is 2? So you can use find a equal 2. Okay, now the answer is 3, 4, 5. What is 3, 4, 5? This is the location. Now the location become, this is 1, this is the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the order, like this. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now 2 is located in, here is 3, and here is 4, and here is 5. So 3, 4, 5. Another way, we want to another example, we want to find we want to find 5. Where is 5? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I said find a equal 5, the answer will be 8. This is the location. Also, other useful commands in matrices and vectors is max, minimum, and mean. So this is used to find the minimum, maximum, and mean in vertical. So now suppose that we have this a, okay, and I said min a, so it will find the minimum value in each column. Okay, so each column, this will be which the minimum value here 1, which the minimum value here 2, which the minimum value here 3. So if I want, okay, to find also if I have array, okay, it will find an array. Okay, but if you have a matrix, it will find only in vertical. So now if I want to find the minimum of the whole matrix, if I want to find the minimum, so here I said min, okay, between parentheses min a. So here it do 2 steps. The first step, it will find the minimum of matrix A, 1, 2, 1, and then it find another minimum for this array or this vector, so it will be 1. Okay, got it? Perfect. Similarly, maximum. Okay, so if I max A, it will give the maximum value of each vertical, each column. So here the maximum is 4, here the maximum is 8, here the maximum is 5. So the answer is 4, 8, 5. Now I can find the maximum of maximum, so it will be 8. Of course, you can choose minimum of maximum. If you want to minimum of maximum, so it will be 4 if you make it like this. Okay? Like here, minimum of maximum is 4. For mean, it will find the mean or average of each column. So it finds the average here and average here and average here. So we have this average. Another good option is sort. So sort is to sort the vector in each column, okay, and the default is ascending sorting. So for example, if you sort A, so it will be 1, 2, 4, 2, 2, 8, 1, 3, 4. So it sorting by default. Okay. Also sort A, comma, ascend. So it will do the same like A. If you want to descend, to assort a descend, so here you have instead of ascend, you have to descend. Okay. So it will be the opposite way. So try here. Descend, so will be 4, 2, 1, 8, 2, 2, 5, 3, 1. Let's take more useful commands in matrices and vectors. Normal, length, and size. This is to tell you the size of your matrix. So if I have A and normal it gives you number of elements. So how many elements I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9. So once you write normal A, it will give you the number of elements. Length is the number of here's a column, so 3. Okay, size is column and rows and columns, it will be 3 3. Also, in matrices, this is specific commands in matrix to find the upper and lower matrices. If you want to find the lower triangle and upper triangle of a matrix, so it's just LU. So this LU. Okay, so in order to divide them or to show them, so you put it L between brackets, L square brackets, L comma U close the brackets equal LU of A. So L will be shown as the upper triangle and U will be the lower triangle. It will be useful later in numerical methods. You will see LU method to find the roots, so we'll use it later. So that's why it's important to show it here. So that's it today. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.